Hi guys, I'm Max Weinbach with XDATV, and today I'm going to show you Hidey Hole, an app made by developer Chainfire to help you find wallpapers that will hide the hole, the punch hole, on your Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. Let's get started. So this is the Galaxy S10 Plus, and as you can see, there is one giant hole up in the top. I'm using one of the Pixel 3 wallpapers right now, but there's a giant hole up in the top. It can be distracting for a lot of people. So instead of actually just blacking out the top or using Samsung's method, which pushes everything down, use Hidey Hole. So Hidey Hole will search the Galaxy S10 wallpaper subreddit and load up all of the wallpapers on here. As you can see, there are a lot. The cool thing that Hidey Hole does, though, is, see, this is the iPhone XR's wallpaper made for the Galaxy S10 or S10e. But it doesn't fit my phone. So you can click this button and scale from S10. Now it fits. It'll make the wallpaper larger to fit my phone's hole, which is really nice. You can also change some colors, lighting, yeah. So you can change this around too. So you can mess with the colors. So yeah, this will pull from there. And now let's go show off some holes, some wallpapers. Let's go down to Bender. This one was one of my favorites, set as both. It's Bender from Futurama, and then his eyes are the Cutout. I really like this one because I'm a huge fan of Futurama, and this one's really funny. Next, the all-around best one is this. You have Kim Jong-un looking out of his binoculars over at Trump and Putin riding a horse. How can you not like it? It's really funny. Let's see what else there is here. Oh, Rick and Morty. Just set this as the lock screen. Got Rick and Morty. That one's also great. Rick Sanchez looking through his binoculars. Oh, man. These are just a lot of great wallpapers. Let's see what else. Pickle Rick. Who doesn't like a good Pickle Rick? It's a great episode of Rick and Morty, by the way. Let's see some more of the, let's see some of these. Cyclops. That one's nice. These wallpapers were actually made by Joe, who's on the XDA portal team. These are also some pretty nice ones. They hide the notch really well, but also give you a bunch of other holes that move down the display, so it looks good. It kind of matches the entire aesthetic of the hole. So you can see, yeah. The one that I loved using was this one, which is the green and blue gradient. Green at the top, blue at the bottom, hides the notch perfectly. No hole to be seen. And it looks pretty good while doing it. Let's see, some more. Oh, Minions! Who doesn't like the Minions? Actually, a lot of people. But either way, Minions. Now you have Minions in your hole. The eye of the Minions. Yeah, let's just move that icon. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Who doesn't like that? It's hilarious. So, yeah, but, oh, wait. Stock wallpaper, bunch of holes. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. So, yeah, this is Hidey Hole, and these are all pretty much what it does. It'll search the Galaxy S10 wallpaper subreddit and make it easy for you to find the wallpapers you want. There's a lot on here. Oh, hit the bottom. But there's a lot on here, so it's gonna take you have a lot to look through, and you're definitely gonna find a wallpaper you'll want on your phone. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what wallpaper was your favorite. I'm partial to the Putin, Donald Trump, and Kim Jong-un one. That's just me. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments. And like, comment, subscribe, the normal stuff. And then I'm going to link the Galaxy S10 subreddit for the wallpapers in the description, and Hidey Hole. Both of them are really fun to go look through.